Welcome to this tutorial on accessing Etoro risk management tools. As a trader, managing risk is crucial to protecting your investments and maximizing profits. Etoro offers a range of tools to help you manage risk. And in this guide, we will walk you through how to access them. First, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the portfolio page. This is where you can view all your open positions and pending orders. To access the risk management tools, click on the specific position you want to manage. This will take you to the position details page, where you can view information such as the current price, profit, and loss. On the position details page, you will see a tab labeled Stop Loss. This is where you can set a stop loss order, which automatically closes a position when it reaches a certain price. To set a stop loss, click on the Stop Loss tab and enter the price at which you want to close the position. You can also set a take profit order, which closes a position when it reaches a certain profit level. Another important risk management tool on Etoro is the leverage settings. Leverage allows you to trade with more capital than you have in your account, but it also increases your risk. To adjust your leverage settings, go to the Account Settings page and click on Leverage. From here, you can choose from a range of leverage options, depending on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. In addition to stop loss and leverage settings, Etoro also offers a range of other risk management tools, including risk alerts and position sizing. Risk alerts notify you when a position is approaching a certain loss or profit level, while position sizing helps you manage the size of your positions in relation to your overall portfolio. To get the most out of Etoro risk management tools, it is essential to understand your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Consider setting stop loss and take profit orders for all your positions, and adjust your leverage settings according to your risk tolerance. It is also important to monitor your positions regularly and adjust your risk management settings as needed. By following these steps and using Etoro risk management tools, you can protect your investments and maximize your profits. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. With Etoro risk management tools, you can trade with confidence and achieve your financial goals.